Welcome to my YouTube channel, Boss Ozu. In this video, I'll be showing you how to earn at least $20 to £20 per month from a particular survey app called TopSurvey. TopSurvey is a new survey app. It is created by the company that owns Prime Opinion, Acash, 5survey. The only difference is that TopSurvey is very good. They have less screen out and no disqualification. Their disqualification is very less compared to Acash and other surveys app. You can easily earn $20 to £20 per day if you give your time to it. Their payout is within 3 minutes to 5 minutes. You get your payout into your paper or your email through gift card. They pay through paper and gift card. They have numerous gift cards in their platform. They have over 154 gift cards, such as Amazon, Visa, Google Play, and Apple Card. But I prefer paper. If you don't have paper, you can go for this card over here. But if you have paper, just go with paper. It is fast. Within 3 minutes, you get it. You'll get it into your paper accounts. To open accounts with TopSurvey is easy. Just go to your Play Store, click on download. Don't open account through your web. Do not open account through your web. Use their app. The app is better than the web. The app is better than there will be no mistake if you open with the app. But with the website, by the time you'll be clearing cache of Brave browser, clearing data, you might miss some steps. So it's better to open their app, log in, register, and do their survey. Then cash out your £20. Their minimum payout is $5. So minimum payout is not much. Once you reach $5 threshold or £5 threshold, you will withdraw your money. They are in many countries of the world. They are in UK, they are in US, many countries of the world. But the one that pay better is, of course, is US and UK. For this video, we'll be opening UK accounts on TopSurvey. So let's start to open account. To open account, go to your Play Store. And download it on your phone. It is better to use Android phone. It is better to use Android phone. There is less security for Android phone compared to iPhone. So go to your browser, go to your Play Store to download it. Then launch your proxy or VPN. For this video, I'll be using Mysterium VPNs. As you can see, it is connected already. I've connected it to United Kingdom already. I've connected it to United Kingdom. Then go to the TopSurvey app. It will ask you to register with Google or email. Use email and use the email that you register with English name. Don't use Igbo or Yoruba email or Hausa email. Use the one you register with English name. For instance, now my email, I'll use David's. As you can see, this email over here is English name, David Brandon. So I will continue with email. I need to set my password. So for that, I will pause this video. So let's continue. Click on continue. There will be a code sent to your email. code will be sent to your email. Let's wait for the code. Yeah, this is the code. Welcome to TopSurvey. This is your code 286 286 2864. Yeah, allow TopSurvey to send you notification. You can allow it or not, but let me allow it. Yeah, once you log in, you they will give you a survey straight away. But don't let us take the survey now. As you can see, if you are not using a good proxy or a good VPN, this is what it state: proxy or VPN detected. But since I'm using Mysterium, I can bypass it. I can bypass it. Easily bypass it. As you can see, it's just like it's like Prime Opinion. It behaves like Prime Opinion. Yeah, as you see, I've bypassed it. I just changed my IP to bypass it. They have, if you are familiar with Prime Opinion, you will see that it is exactly like Prime Opinion. See, if you go to Prime Opinion now, you will see this kind of offer there. You see that kind of offer there. See their survey. Let's check uh uh let's check let's check any. See, exactly like Prime Opinion. They have paper. You can transfer to paper, Revolut. They have all these gift card. Close 154 gift card there. So there is no way. There is no way. It's just like Prime Opinion. The same thing. It's owned by the same company. The company that owns Acash, 5Survey, Prime Opinion is the same company that owns the TopSurvey. But they make the screen house lesser. They, they make the screen house lesser compares to Prime Opinion. They make it lesser. Now let's go to survey. Let's go to survey. Yeah, let's take our first survey. Take the survey. Are you living in United Kingdom? Yes. Don't forget, this account is United Kingdom accounts. It is United Kingdom accounts. Yes, I'm living in United Kingdom. Yes. Enter your birthday. To fill any survey, make sure you create a persona for that survey, for that account. For these accounts now, I'll use the persona I created for a Prime Opinion for it. See, I have my zip code there. I have my zip code, my income, job, male, everything, sex, female, age. I have the persona there already. That's how to create a survey. That's how to make any from survey. In case they ask you this kind of question later, you can come back to your notepad, copy it, and input it back. Now they ask for my birthday. I will just go to this place. My birthday is January 5, 28. Is there already. I don't need to crack my brain. Yeah, it's gone. I don't need to crack my brain to do it. I'll just come, put it there. Months. Yeah, 1998. Months. January day 5. That is my birthday. Are you a male or female? Female. The first survey you do is introduction survey. I don't know why it's going back. You have qualified for this survey. This is an introduction survey, so you will surely qualify for it. You will surely qualify for it. It's like you are registering for the first time. It's like you are registering for the first time, so you will surely qualify for it. Which of the following category best describe your organization prime industry? Make sure whatever you are choosing, make sure you write it down. Make sure you write it down. Accounting. I will choose accounting. You can choose accounting, finance. Just make sure you choose something that is known, like computer software. What is your current employment? Employed full time. Please use your. I'm pregnant. I have one or more children under the age of 18. Make sure your account is married. To get more survey, married people get more survey than single. Yeah, married people get more survey. At least have close to 2 to 3 child. So I just click it. Then select the age. I will not continue with it. I will not finish it with you. Go over to your Play Store and download it and start. It is easy. It is easy to do the survey. It is very, very easy to do the survey. Once you finish it, once you finish that survey, all this one will be open. As you can see, since I rejected that survey now, all this other survey opened straight away. This thing this app, does it require phone number? Yes, it requires phone number. The moment you get to like 1.5 to $3, between 1.5 to $3, they will ask you to input your phone number, and make sure you input it that same day. Make sure you input it that same day to avoid account termination. Make sure you input it that same day. Make sure you input it. Once you input it, your account will go under review for 24 hours, and after that they will release it. Then you can start doing survey. It is easy. Another thing you can have problem with is how to download the app. Let's move to Play Store. You can have problem with that too. See, I use David. Surely, let's look for TopSurvey. TopSurvey is here. But let me change this email now to another email. You see that I will not see that TopSurvey again. Okay, I can still see it because it's already installed. Sometimes if you are not on VPN, if your VPN is not on, you will not see anything like this. You will not see TopSurvey. Let me off my VPN. I've off my VPN now. I want to show you something. I've off everything. Now let me go to Play Store and search for it again. Let me use another email I've used several times. See? But because it is installed already, I will find it. To download it, create fresh account. To download TopSurvey, create fresh account on your phone. When you create fresh account, turn on your VPN, then go to Play Store to download it. As you can see now, I can't find TopSurvey anymore. It's not there. You won't find it again. But if I on my VPN and change my my email address, I will surely find it there. So you need to on your VPN with new email to download TopSurvey. So that is that about TopSurvey. If you like this video, comment, like and share, and make sure you follow.